Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Forget iPhone 17 Ultra or Galaxy S25 Ultra flagships. The new upcoming premium smartphone is coming soon in 2025, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VII. Don't fret, the new Sony Xperia 1 VII flagship is coming in 2025. The network has revealed new launching details about the premium smartphone. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Some of you may be thinking that this is a weird title, but it really isn't. There has been chatter that Sony may give up on smartphones, or at least flagship ones, for years. That won't be happening though, at least not this year, as the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VII is coming. The information has been shared by Ricciolo, a tipster. He simply said on X that there will be an Xperia 1 Mark VII. He did not mention the Xperia 10 lineup, so we're still not sure about a new model in that price range. We don't really get many Sony smartphone rumors prior to launch though, so that doesn't have to mean anything. Sony has been in the smartphone business for a long time. First it was Sony, then Sony Ericsson, and then we switched back to simply Sony branding. The thing is, the company releases only a couple of smartphones per year, and they don't really sell all that well. We can guess what the reasons are all day, but the fact is their phones are usually quite pricey, and they're not exactly marketed to the extent of their competitors. On top of that, the availability is usually not on the same level either. Sony cut back from 7 phones a year to 2 phones a year. Sony has the pull to push its smartphones much more aggressively, but the company is not doing it for whatever reason. Back in 2021, the company launched 7 different phones, while we only got 2 last year. That is another reason why some people thought we won't be getting any phones in 2025. Sony allegedly held a market share of 3.5% globally in the first half of 2024. The company sold 3.5 million smartphones. That did not deter Sony from pushing onwards, however. A rumor regarding the Sony Xperia 1 VII did surface recently regarding its cameras. It says that all 3 rear-facing cameras will use the XMOR-T sensor. That sensor uses a dual-layer transistor pixel technology, and should improve image quality and reduce noise in pictures. A rumor that surfaced last year claimed that Sony plans to use a new layout for its rear cameras. We still haven't seen an image of the device, so we can't know for sure. The Xperia 1 Mark VI launched in May last year, so we're expecting its successor to arrive mid-year too. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.